So thanks to my Voron, I can print prototypes in less than like 10 minutes. I've also got a rat rig over there printing some stuff. So far my work, I need to get this thing to fit because this is going to become the base of the wheel. So I started with this. It does not fit. Wrong size. I keep editing it until I got almost right. And this one sort of fits if I really squeeze it in there. See that? So getting the abec specs is actually kind of hard because it's not like out there on the internet. Maybe it is, but I made it from scratch. I'm using just some rough lines, as you can see here. Well, I got these specs that I'm using. But once I master this, I'm gonna be able to make any kind of wheel mounts, abecs. What are those other ones? So hopefully I'm gonna be able to come up with TPU. Now the TPU material, if you print it in full 100%, it's actually very, very strong. And because the material actually flexy a little bit, so this is not TPU, by the way. It will actually hold up the wheel. So instead of before I was just making the slip-on, but I need to make this part a little bit more flexible and make the wheel smaller so I can have some nice snow tires that will work on low-powered electric skateboards. Well, not low-powered, but something with the 5068 motor. So I wanted to make the wheel as small as possible and also be its own wheel. So I'm getting there, but my first part is getting the abecs. I need to get this perfect. I've been working on this for all day now, but thanks to my Voron, I can print out parts pretty quickly and it's just like, what is it? It's just like I'm just printing out. The beauty of 3D printing is I don't have to know exactly how it is. I just keep changing it, and you'll make it fit. So yeah, my Voron, almost done with my fourth or fifth iteration. I'm building another Voron over here. So yeah, it's an exciting day. Stay tuned, folks.